We believe that creativity grows when we step beyond what is familiar. That is the inspiration behind this year's theme, Open Your World. What makes today even more special is that we all come from different creative worlds. Some of you capture breathtaking landscapes, others tell stories through weddings, others do street photography, and others do wildlife photography. Each field has its own challenges, its own techniques, and unique ways of seeing the world. And today is all about bringing all of those worlds together as our big celebration of creativity. That is exactly what AlphaFest is all about. Because sometimes the biggest breakthroughs happen when we step outside of our own specialty. A portrait photographer can learn from filmmakers, filmmakers can learn from landscape photographers, sports photographers may find inspiration from street photographers, and content creators might pick up techniques from portrait artists. Every creative field has something valuable to offer. And when we remain open to learning from people with different perspectives and experiences, we begin to build something that is uniquely ours. That's how creativity evolves, and today we've prepared everything we can to help you make the most of that journey. You'll have the opportunity to experience the latest Sony cameras and lenses throughout the day, but you will also learn from the incredible guest speakers who have taken the time to share their knowledge. From the different fields of photography and videography, we have our very own Jiggy Alejandrino and Jason Magbanwa in our wedding zone, Nico Valenzuela and Win Magsino in our nature zone, Martin San Diego and Manny Librodo in our festival zone. We also have Vicky Navarda who will be on stage to share her creative journey and growing community. Also, our very special guests, we have Noel Guevara who will share his underwater expedition using the Alpha 7R Mark 6. And our very own special guest, international street photographer, and Thailand's very own Tavipong Ratomong, who will share his different tips and tricks in street photography, highlighting Sony's Alpha 7 Mark 5. But beyond the gear and the knowledge that we will be sharing, we also have our amazing brand partners who have graciously taken the time to be with us today. We have Danlight Philippines, Holyland, HNY, and PhotoPro, who have always provided photographers and videographers the best equipment. We also have new but familiar brands who have extended their support for us in this event: Keen, Osprey, Epson, Sushi Nori, and Royal Cafe. We thank all of them for celebrating creativity alongside Sony and for supporting every participant in pursuing their craft. We hope you'll take the time to visit their booths and discover everything they've prepared for you. We also want to extend a special thank you to our Sony dealers from Avid, SBC, Henry's Cameras, Camera House, JG Superstore, Camera Commons, Abinson, Photoline, and Aperture, who have always been supporting photographers and videographers like you, together with Sony Philippines. So I would like to end my time here on stage this morning with this. Many of us today have some things in common. We're eager to know more about cameras, to gain more technical understanding, and continuously be curious. Over time, we attend workshops, we listen to Sony ambassadors, and we meet fellow participants, and we borrow the cameras and try the new gear and experimented with different techniques. We've also made mistakes, we've asked questions, and we kept learning. And without even realizing it, every workshop and every photo walk and every hands-on experience added something to the way that we create today.